Hi, I'm Gráinne Mulcahy. I'm a full-time teacher. I have my doctorate in education in junior cycle and I'm in the middle of preparing CBAs with my maths class. A CBA is a classroom-based assessment. They were brought in to support students to learn skills and demonstrate skills that can't be done in a typical pen and paper exam. The value of them is they allow students to develop a broad range of skills supported by a teacher and embed themselves in a subject. So a student doing a history project needs to think like a historian. Are there different perspectives here? Is there somebody else I should ask this question of? In the science classroom, they're going to be investigating like scientists. They're going to have a hypothesis, they're going to plan an investigation. Teachers have asked for support in developing some resources for CBAs. And it's difficult because across all of the subjects, they're a little bit different. But what we have done is looked at the features of quality, that's how they're marked, and what an examiner is looking for. And we've picked out a set of 6 skills that are common to all of the CBAs. And we've put these into a program to allow students to engage with each skill individually and then collectively look at the end. They'll look at how do I research. They'll understand good research versus bad research. Wikipedia versus the local historian telling you the story. They will look at how accuracy is important and how they can check their facts. They will look at how to present it. Is a report? Is it going to be a display? Is it going to be a project on a wall? They will also be able to reflect on their learning. They'll be able to check the accuracy, check the flow, check is it logical, is it a nice piece of work. In order for them to do that, we'll let them step into the shoes of an examiner with a simulated CBA, well 2 CBAs in fact, that they're going to have to correct. We'll give them a checklist. Is it creative? Is it accurate? How is it presented? And in checking that piece of work, they will learn to be able to check their own. At the end of the workshop, they will have not only experienced the learning, but they'll take away tools that will be helpful in all of their CBAs. It might seem that a CBA is confined to junior cycle, but that's not the case. Leaving Cert now is very much project-based, and in most subjects, students will have to do a project as part of their Leaving Cert. This workshop will equip them with the skills for that part of their learning journey. And should they go further into further education or 3rd level, well, we all know we have to do projects there too. So this is a piece of learning that gives students lifelong skills and also gives them the tools to deal with the CBA in 3rd year and in 2nd year.